Ready to unlock your true potential? Discover the secret to living a purposeful life with a personal mission statement. Brace yourself as we embark on an extraordinary journey of self-discovery and goal-setting, guiding you every step of the way. Say goodbye to aimless wandering and embrace a future filled with passion, clarity, and fulfillment. Are you tired of feeling like you're drifting through life without a clear direction? It's time to take control and craft your personal mission statement. This powerful statement acts as your guiding light, providing a compass for your actions, decisions, and priorities. With a well-defined mission, you'll unleash your true potential and make a meaningful impact in the world. Get ready to align your values, passions, and goals like never before. Step 1. Reflect on your values. Start by identifying the core values that drive you. What principles and beliefs do you hold dear? These values will serve as the foundation of your mission statement, giving you a sense of purpose and direction. Take some time to dig deep and uncover the essence of what truly matters to you. Step 2. Define your passions. What activities, causes, or pursuits ignite a fire within you? Identify the things that make your heart race and fill you with joy. Your passions are the fuel that will power your mission and keep you motivated during challenging times. Embrace your passions and let them guide you towards a purposeful life. Step 3. Set clear goals. Your mission statement should be accompanied by actionable goals that support your overall vision. Break down your long-term objectives into smaller, achievable milestones. By setting specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals, you'll stay focused and make steady progress towards living your mission. Step 4. Embrace self-discovery. To create an authentic mission statement, take the time to understand yourself on a deeper level. Explore your strengths, weaknesses, and unique talents. What makes you special? By acknowledging and embracing your true self, you'll be able to align your mission with your personal journey and aspirations. Step 5. Visualize your impact. Envision the difference you want to make in the world. How do you want to contribute? What legacy do you want to leave behind? Visualize the impact of living your mission and let this vision inspire and motivate you. Your mission statement should reflect your desire to make a positive change and leave lasting marks. Step 6. Craft your mission statement. It's time to put pen to paper and compose your personal mission statement. Use clear and concise language to express your values, passions, and goals. Ensure that your statement resonates with your true self and evokes a sense of purpose within you. This is your declaration to the world, so make it impactful. Step 7. Refine and revise. Crafting a mission statement is an iterative process. Review and refine your initial draft, ensuring that it accurately reflects your aspirations and values. Seek feedback from trusted individuals who know you well and can provide valuable insights. Continuously revise your mission statement until it feels authentic and compelling. Step 8. Align your actions. Your mission statement should serve as a compass, guiding your everyday actions and decisions. Regularly assess whether your choices align with your mission. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure congruence between your words and your deeds. Let your mission be the driving force behind your choices and actions. Step 9. Share your mission. Don't keep your mission statement to yourself. Share it with trusted friends, family, or mentors who can support and encourage you on your journey. By verbalizing your mission, you solidify your commitment and gain a support network to help you stay accountable. Let your mission inspire and resonate with others too. Step 10. Stay flexible. As you grow and evolve, your mission may change or expand. Embrace the journey of self-discovery and remain open to new opportunities and perspectives. Allow your mission statement to adapt along with you, guiding you through different seasons of life and helping you find deeper meaning and fulfillment. Step 11. Review regularly. Take time periodically to revisit and review your mission statement. Ensure that it continues to reflect your values and aspirations. Use this opportunity to realign your goals, celebrate your achievements, and recalibrate your path. Regular reflection will keep you focused and driven on your purposeful journey. Step 12. Seek inspiration. Surround yourself with uplifting resources and individuals who inspire you. Read books, listen to podcasts, and engage with communities that align with your mission. Seek out role models who have successfully lived out their mission statements. Their stories and wisdom will fuel your motivation and offer guidance along the way. Step 13. Embrace self-care. Remember to take care of yourself throughout this mission-driven journey. Nurture your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Self-care ensures you have the energy and resilience to pursue your mission wholeheartedly. Prioritize rest, relaxation, and activities that recharge your spirit. Congratulations, you've taken a major step towards living a purposeful life by developing your personal mission statement. Now go forth with confidence, passion, and a clear direction. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content on personal growth and self-discovery. Together, let's make a difference and inspire others to find their true purpose.